This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, dual-zone climate control, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.